What's up everybody? Scott from villagesvideo.com. Today we're going to take a look at the Hawkins area and see an update. We haven't flown through there in a while. Quite a bit of construction. We're going to look at the south side and the north side, point out a few big things that are going on, and just to let you know, the Packers are 12-3. So there's that. It's been a minute since we've done a Hawkins update, so I figured we'd fly around the Hawkins area and take a look. Another chilly morning in the Villages. Got the frost on the rooftops, and you can see the south of this area here, which borders, that's Case and Hammock actually, right across there. This is the South Hawkins area, right, it runs right along the turnpike. And that side on the other side of the, or that area on the other side of the turnpike is where they're building all of the new stuff, the medical center, the 2 championship golf courses. We're looking at a little villa development here. Again, this is in South Hawkins, and we are headed west currently, with Megasin running on the south side of these villas, in between. You can see it right there on the left, in between the Hawkins area and the turnpike. Like I said, we're headed west. We're actually headed toward Warm Springs Boulevard, which you can see up there in the background. They're starting to put some of the drainage pipes in, the water pipes. The pipes you see at the bottom are water. The blue is fresh water, like potable water for drinking. And that purplish pink color you see is for reclaimed water or recycled water that they move between the irrigation ponds. And that's what waters all the lawns, and you can wash your cars with those and things like that. So Megasin, this road that's on the left between the turnpike and Hawkins, runs all the way up to the Water Lily Bridge and then cuts north to the Brownwood area. I'll be doing a video where we go all the way along the golf cart path from Brownwood down here. Now that the Brownwood Bridge is open, you can take that long way. There's not much to look at, a lot of construction. And then that's that's Warm Springs right here that we're turning kind of toward the north here. Little swampy area. They have to maintain these swampy areas. They have to leave some of them because they're not allowed to destroy so much swampland in Florida. That's how the laws are. So they make them like a scenic view for people to go take a look. And then this is the north side of Hawkins here. And as we fly over this area, you can see Bradford in the background and Chitty Chatty in the top left. Hawkins is kind of centralized between the older area and the newest of the south side areas. They haven't started construction south of the turnpike yet, but that area is going to be bigger than the northern side of the Villages. So if you're south of 466, or I mean at this point even south of 44, that area is pretty comparable to the size of the Villages that are north of 44. They just haven't started construction on a lot of it. Within this next year, 2021, I think you're going to see an amazing change down in this area. Starting to get some of these houses up. The foundation's been laid and the sides are going up. Some of the bigger houses here. They kind of encircled this church here, which is on our left. You don't really get to see it too much, but they built around this church that's on the left. I don't think the church would sell them the property. I don't know if they tried to buy the property or not. I have no idea. Typically, the villages will make them an offer, and then if they don't sell, the developer will build right around them. More Hawkins. This is west of Morse. That's Morse Boulevard you see running along. That splits Hawkins and Bradford. Turning toward the south now, you can see some of those swampy areas there in the background. And you see Morse is running along the left side of the video. Morse goes north to south. Morse will run into Megason up here. Eventually Morse will probably be the road that goes over the turnpike, I would assume, because Morse actually runs through all of the village's town squares. And I know they have plans to make a 4th town square. Here's the Hawkins Recreation Center here. It's where you can get the mail. They also have the pool, shuffleboard, cornhole, putting greens. And a lot of this area. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.